Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the features of the Singer M2100 lightweight and compact sewing machine, your perfect companion for mending and sewing projects. With 63 stitch applications, including basic stitches like straight in 3 sizes, zigzag in 4, and blind hem for both stretch and non-stretch fabrics, this machine offers versatility for every sewing enthusiast. The easy stitch selection is made simple with a clearly displayed Stitch Selector Dial, and the preset stitch length and width eliminate any guesswork, making it ideal for beginners. The 4-step buttonhole process is straightforward, ensuring you can create the perfect buttonhole size for your project with ease. Threading is a breeze with convenient guides marked directly on the machine, and the full metal frame ensures stability and durability. Lightweight and portable, the Singer M2100 features a built-in carry handle for easy transport, while the Stay Bright LED lighting provides bright illumination to eliminate shadows as you work. With adjustable thread tension and a front-loading bobbin system, this sewing machine is designed to make your sewing experience smooth and enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.